What up, guys? Got this 350 block that I'm gonna get ready to paint it and freshen it up. First time ever freshening one of these up. I done cleaned it already. 350 block. I just gotta paint it. My first time, y'all know I mess with the LS motors and stuff. I know how to do them. So this is my first time refreshing or rebuilding whatever you want to call it, a conventional motor. So it'll be my first time doing this. It's mine, so if I don't get it right, hey, it's mine. I ain't gotta worry about nobody saying I did this, whatever the case may be, because it's mine. I got all the parts over here. I went back with the same cam bearings and piston rod bearing that come out of it, which is a 10,000 undersize. I got my oil pump. I have my oil pump up in there. I think that's the pickup tool, and that's that rod. That's the bolt that go with it. I got some piston rings. These my piston rod bearings in the box still. It's just my crank bearings there. So, we're gonna freshen it up. First time doing this. They're going in my Pluto box. I think I'm gonna keep the conventional motor in here until I run across me a 6.2. I want me a 6.2. But for now, until I do, I'm going back with that. Yeah, I see up under here now. It look crazy. I'm gonna replace that there. I'm gonna replace my battery, my little battery spot over there. Everything will be brand new up under here. Everything will be brand new. I probably don't mess with the windshield wiper motor. I probably just leave it like it is until they go out. But everything else will be brand new. I'm trying to find me a 6.2 like that. 6.2. That's that 5.3. They going in my white box over there. I'm rebuilding it, as y'all can see. I gotta get gotta get the timing chain. I already got an oil pump for it. A milli oil pump. That's that 700 oil come out of it. I'm gonna rebuild it. Yep. And I think I wanna rock these kind of transmission, man, behind the LS. So I know that 700 or like a 4-wheel 60 or whatever, but I'm gonna get something a little more beefier than that. But for the time being, I'm rocking with that, man. See how that roll. But yeah, 350 block, bro. I'm about to rebuild it. I ain't mess with the cam bearings. I ain't mess with those. They look fine. But everything else, yeah, we go do it. I'm gonna paint it. Once I get through painting it, that's when I'm gonna reassemble it. I'll go do it a while ago. I ain't got my camera side up, so I'm gonna put a hold on it until I actually paint it. And when I paint it, I'm gonna let y'all go through the process with me and see me do it. But yeah, guys, this is it right here. Stay tuned. and we'll be back. All right.